Josh and his basket.
Part one.
Part one. You just gonna look at it? You're supposed to open it. Not slide stuff out the side.
Seriously, no. They caked it in.
Oh.
Horrible. They did it horribly. And it's like a little bitty dog.
What do you get?
Natural chocolate, sea salt, Pepsi, enriched dark, yeah.
Don't worry, Josh. I'll help you eat everything. Oh yeah, you don't actually like chocolate, so I'll just give me that.
Beach festival.
What if Grandma sees this? Oh no, I can't show Grandma the video. Oh.
Just edit that part out. Stop filming and refilm it. I didn't mean to call you.